Wena wazi ngani ukuthi why we defender kangaka le ndoda sikhuluma ngomsebenzi ofanele uwele izandleni zakho hayi ukuthi sifuna ukunika omunye umuntu indawo ngeyakho why you defend umuntu ongamazi kukuphi kubo mama lo muntu umuzwa kubo ume kanjani unjani umuzwa kubo cela ubuza umuzwa kubo ubheke kuphi ubheke empumalanga noma entshonalanga noma kuphi ubheke kuphi umuzwa kubo lapha asuka khona
abengibuza
kulungile ngiyakuzwa nami sengiyakubuza ke manje ubheke kuphi umuzwa kubo lapha ke khona ingozi webo mama lento le ingozi einganeni zethu ingozi ezweni ingozi kulomphakathi lo awekho amaphepha abanawo laba bantu wena wawabona ngani wena amaphoyisa manje ukhohlwa indaba yephoyisa khohlwa indaba yephoyisa ukade ukutsho nje sisithi umthetho wawazi amaphoyisa beyokwenzani akusikho kwakho lo akakwazi own shop wonke umuntu othola amaphepha kusukela ngo2016 nimzwile lo mama uthi from 1997 uthi from 1997 abantu ade benikwa amaphepha ngendlela engekho emthethweni
ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo ukuthi unawo amaphepha uhlala eSouth Africa
ukaniwe yini ukanuba
iphepha ngiphela ukanuba nemvume benovisa nana uhlale nakho la sekuthola amaphepha
unandabani nendoda ongayazi unendabani nendoda ongayazi
ukuthi ngifuna ukuzwa
yeah wemfowethu yibuthathi biza abantu netruck lakho nithathe impahla zakho la store uyezwa ba please do that because these women can't protect you they can't protect you they think they can't don't you see the problem let me tell you the problem you guys when you come to the country you weigh the country through women it's not right we are men we are soldiers of this land. We are supposed to guard this land. Like in your country as men you do the same. These women can't wake up tomorrow and go and do business in your country. Can they do it? Can these women go and do business in your country? This business? They can't. It is a reserved for every country's got this law, the same law that we are using right now. So please respect us as men. Don't worry about women. Women are always emotional and it doesn't solve any problem. Sicela ukuthi ulungise thatha itruck thatha impahla zakho take it back where no ngeke ukwazi mama wami ungasenzi ingane sengiphinda kaningi la ukuthi thina abantu ebasuke bethi bona bangakwazi ukulungisa ukuqhubeka nezitolo thina siyabasiza senguphinda kaningi la phambi kwakho angikhulumi ngeimpahla zalomuntu wena ndoda wena thatha impahla zakho lapha biza itruck uthathe impahla zakho ngeke uone ngalezi impahla mama kanti sithini khona manje sithini khona manje sithini kanti kuwe sithini kuwe as soon as lo ekhipha impahla zakhe lo wena ndoda you are a man, I'm a man. And you know, and you have to understand. No, mama, uyabona ngoba sengikhulumile sengiqedile. Come on. Sengichazile sengiqedile. Cela ungilinde kancane. Cela ungilinde. Uyabona sengichazile sengiqedile. Wena mawufuna ukuvikela leli kwere livikele sesiyahamba thina. Wena ndoda thatha impahla zakho. Thatha impahla zakho. Faka isandla. Cela ukhulume into ofuna ukuyikhuluma mama. Yeah. Cela ukhulume lokho ofuna ukukhuluma. Sesikhulumile sesiqedile phela. Wena baba please thatha impahla zakho la thatha impahla zakho le akhona amadoda la kwaXeza azosi-own store.